What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing something fun. 2 events in a row for snowmobiling. Last weekend was the Ditch Banger. That was a blast. I did really good until I didn't. And then this weekend is the Midwest Ride-In, where it's like an all-out ride everywhere, have all of the fun kind of old snowmobiles, new snowmobiles, kind of everything. And they let you ride on the track and stuff. We're gonna get the sleds off the trailer and then we're gonna start filming, because today I'm helping Zach film the video for this. You'll see some of that footage on my channel, and also ERX. I'll put ERX in there so you can see that video when it's done. But yeah, we're gonna go do some of that filming, so that's probably what you're gonna see right now. They do a big trail ride, and then they let people ride out on the off-road track.
Dude, you need to go and hit this thing. It's crazy.
I want to. I've been waiting. I was waiting for you to like show up so I could be like, okay, I can go play now.
All right, so we're gonna start a trail ride, but we're gonna cut off and try and hit this track. So you guys are gonna see some of the GoPro footage from that right now. We're gonna try and rip the off-road track some more. been trying to get it started, but it just doesn't want to. It's flooded, I think, and spark plugs are fouled, and it's just no good anymore. So we'll see what happens. Nope, doesn't want to live. So we got to figure out how to get it on the trailer.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was hurt.
It'll be alright, it's probably just flooded. Need some new spark plugs for the 17th time in 5 minutes. So right now, we're just sitting outside watching some of the races that are going on. They have kind of the same deal going on as the ditch banger, so nothing you guys haven't seen before, but they do let you go out on the off-road track, and that is insane. That GoPro footage that you guys saw, holy crap. This is why I'm saying, if you have a snowmobile, come here next year and do this. It's so much fun. It reminds me of, I don't know if you guys know what Proving Grounds is, but that's up at Brainerd International Raceway. This is the exact same thing, just with snowmobiles. Well guys, we're loading up the sleds. We're done for the day, and I mean, we had a good time. If you guys are subscribed to me and you know where this is, and you have snowmobiles, and like you guys are close, you should come. I would like to meet some of you guys. I know some of you are close by, and I think that would be really fun if we could get together, maybe a little throttle therapy session next year for the Midwest Ride-In, or even ditch banger if you guys are like cool enough and you can hang with me. Perch? Oh, yeah, Brandy behind the camera, thank you for being the film lady today, but merch. If you guys
just buy some clothing,
yeah,
jeez,
just go buy some.
Looks cool as shit.
I feel bad because Brandy did bring up a good point. I don't wear my merch, but I only bought a t-shirt for myself so far. I promise you guys the clothing is really nice. Zach's bought some stuff, Brandy's got some stuff, Mason has some stuff, and we're gonna try to get more so we can wear it in the videos so you guys can like kind of see it firsthand, but I would suggest going to check it out. If you don't buy anything, at least it's nice that you at least went to look. It's amazing. Like, the culture is great, everybody's super friendly, everybody has a smile on their face, there's plenty of alcohol, that's important always. Of course I didn't ride and drink. I'm gonna get undressed. You guys wanna see me take my clothes off?
Oh my god.
I don't know if you guys can see that, my boot is steaming! I was cooking some little toe broccolis in there, I was steaming them.
Toe broccoli?
Yeah.
Is that nutritious?
Maybe.
No.
Sounds
I'll let you
delicious.
be the first to taste it. That's it for the video today, guys. Thank you. We appreciate your views, like always. If you're not subscribed, consider doing that. We'll see you next time. Thank you again. We appreciate you.